think we are in live. Hi
Yeah, yeah,
everyone. Yeah, I just give a introduction and then we go. Hi
yeah. Okay,
everyone.
okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to Ask Me Anything regarding IIT Madras online BSc degree program with Aman. So let's. I am welcoming back Aman to our show again. So yeah, let's go straight into the presentation. Uh, yeah, I think now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Am I audible? Okay,
Yes,
so
yes, you are audible. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Aman Katiyar, and I am the student of the online BSc degree by IIT Madras, and I also the student ambassador of that degree. So let's start together to present and okay, yeah, yeah. So let's we start. So today we are going to discuss about the IIT Madras BSc degree, the India's top technical institute. Welcomes you to the field of data science and programming, the world's first online degree. Okay, so let's get ahead. Yeah. So first, it's a degree for all. So why would I am saying it's a degree for all? Firstly, your age don't matter, sir. Whether you are of any age group, like you are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, you can enroll in this course. Your profession don't matter, sir. Like you are a school student or a college graduate or a working professional, you can also enroll in this course. And you can. The best part is that you can learn from anywhere, any part of the world. And the best part is that you can learn from the comfort of your home also. And it's a self-paced course. The learner can choose their own learning path, and the number of courses that he can choose in a term. So it is totally based on the triple C, that is credit clearing capability. Here it is. Here you can see in each term a learner may register for up to four courses, maximum of up to four courses, which is triple C, which is calculated by the performance of your qualifier exam. If you just entering in this world or your previous terms and time exams. Okay, so let's move ahead. It's a just introduction now. Yeah, so the first process is the qualifier process to enter in this degree. So first you have to be eligible for this qualifier process. So let me uh, take the eligibility. So there is a new eligibility for the May 2020 term. So those who are going to enroll in the May 2020 term. So here are the new eligibility. Let's see. Yeah. So the for those who wants to be enrolled in May 2020 term, so there are 2 points that is mandatory and announced by the IIT Madras team. So the first is the mandatory. Firstly, when I was enrolled in this degree, so there is a mandatory requirement of if you just pass class 12 in 2 years of last 2 years. Like I have entering in the I have entered in this degree in 2021. So I have passed my class 12 in 2020. So I have mandatory requirement having to enroll in an on-campus college, like regular college. This is mandatory requirement for the students who have just passed class 12 in last 2 years. So that has been removed. You can say that the mandatory requirement having to enroll to an on-campus college if you apply within 2 years of having written your student 12th exam has been removed. This means a student passing out of class 12 in 2022 and 2021 can directly apply and study in this program without having to register in an on-campus college if they choose. So okay, that is first. Now second is that yeah, here it is. In addition to the existing qualifier process, if you are a student of PCM, then you probably must give the J mains exam and J advanced exam. So there is an opportunity for the students who appear for the J advanced exam. So here you can see that IIT Madras has enabled another route for admission. Any student who was eligible to write J advanced 2021 will be directly admitted to the BSc program, and that student need not to pass the qualifier exam. You can directly enter into the foundational level, but the mandatory requirement is that you have to write the J Advanced 2021. Okay, so this is the new eligibility. Okay, so I just received 2 or 3 days back. So I mentioned in, this, in my presentation. Okay, now let's back to our next thing, application process. So for this, I will redirect you to yeah, official website. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So for the yeah, you can see that the application for the batch May 2020 is now open. You can go and register for the May 2020 batch. Yeah. So for you have to fill the application form firstly to register for the application process and pay the application fees. Here you can see that there are application fees for other categories as well. You can Okay, so it's the application process. So now we move on to the process under qualifying process. Okay, so here it is. Yeah. So there are two entries as I mentioned above, regular entry and JVS entry, and I have cleared the JVS entry to. So now we talk about the regular entry. Okay, so for the regular entry, the applicant must go through the qualifier process. Like you have to fill the application form firstly, then you have to go through the 1 month qualifier process to entering into the foundational level. So when you apply for the qualifier process, there then you can get access to the 4 week qualifier weekly video content assignments in live sessions for 4 foundational level courses, that is English one, mathematics one, statistics one, and computational thinking as well. Okay, then so at, in 4 weeks you have to you have given 4 assignments. At the end of each week you're given an assignment which you have to complete by taking the weekly video content provided by the IITM faculty. Okay, so there is a score average score of 4 weekly assignments which you need to maintain to be eligible for the qualifier exam. So you can see that minimum average assignment score required in each course. So for the general learner it should be 40%, for SC it should be 30%, for other categories it should be 30%. Okay, so it should be the eligibility for the qualifier exam. Now we talk about the qualifier exam and passing criteria. Okay, so yeah, the learners who are eligible to appear for the qualifier exam will receive the hall ticket, and who are eligible may sit for the qualifying exam. Then you have to minimum required qualifier exam in each course and a total qualifier exam required courses. So for like I have mentioned, there are 4 courses in the qualifier process, that is English one, statistics one, mathematics one, and computational thinking. So in each course you should be minimum score 40%, and total average score your score should be more than 50% to pass the qualifying exam. For the general, there are other categories, and okay, so you can check on the official website of the online degree. Okay, so uh, hello Balaji.
Yeah, we can hear you,
Like,
Aman.
yeah. So what type of descriptions are hiding? I'm not
Uh,
anyone.
s- sorry.
Uh, anyone details are share your screen. Anyone is committed and like details are hidden while you share your screen. But who is like? So I'm just asking what type of details are hiding when I am sharing my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Are you seeing my screen totally?
Yeah. Now I am screen. Now I am
Yeah.
seeing. Earlier you were in like the streaming window. Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's
Okay. Okay.
yeah, okay.
So
I think now it's
yeah. So I continue.
yeah. Sure. Please.
Yeah, okay, okay. So, yeah, it's a qualifying exam score. You can check on the official website of the online degree of the IIT Madras, which is online-degree.iitm.ac.in, which you will mention in my YouTube video as well. Okay, so then once you have passed the qualifier exam, you are entering into the field of the data science and programming by the IIT Madras. So, okay, so now we talk about now we covered the qualifier process. Now we talk about the structure of this program. Once when you pass the qualifying exam, so you entered into the foundational level. So there are three levels in this program. Here you can see that it is foundational and diploma and degree. So you can exit at any part of this program. Like you if you want to exit at foundational level, you want to exit at diploma level, you may. And you if you at the degree level, you also everyone will be exiting. So okay, there are three levels in this program as well as three exits in this program. So there are eight courses in the foundational level, which each of 4 credits, so total of 32 credits in the foundational level. And there are two diplomas in this degree: diploma in data science and diploma in programming. So there are 6 courses in each diploma, of which 22 credits each, and there are 11 courses in the degree level. So let me show you. Yeah. Yeah, the foundational level. I mentioned that there are 8 courses in the foundational level, and to complete the foundational, you have to complete all the 8 courses. Once when you complete all the 8 courses, you completely complete the foundational level, and you get the certificate of foundational level. At the end of this session, I will show you the certificates provided by the ITM when you complete the levels. Okay, so here you can see that the 8 courses. Firstly, you have to complete the upper 4 courses, that is mathematics 1, statistics 1, computational thinking, and English 1. Of which 1 month content or 4 weeks content you have covered in the qualifying criteria. Now there are 4 other courses, that is mathematics 2, statistics 2, programming in Python, and English 2, of which which will be covered after these 4 courses. Okay, once when you complete the foundation level, you enter into the diploma level. So there are two diplomas in this degree, that is diploma in data science and diploma in programming. So learner has an option to choose one of the diplomas, or complete both the diplomas. Yeah. Okay. So, firstly, we talk about the course diploma in programming. There are 6 courses in diploma in programming, which you can see here, like database management system, programming data structure and algorithm using Python, modern application development and programming concept using Java, modern application development too, and system commands. Okay. So these are the courses for diploma in programming. Okay. Now we talk about the diploma in data science. So which is so as well as there are 6 courses in diploma in data science, which is machine learning foundations, business data management, machine learning techniques, machine learning practice, business analytics, and tools in data science. So once when you complete any diploma, like if you complete a diploma in data science or diploma in program or complete both, so then you enter into the degree level. So there are 11 courses in the degree level, of which 40 credits. So for the at degree level, there are three pair of core courses, of which you have to select one core courses. Then there are elective courses, of which you have to select other than the core courses which you have selected in core courses. Then there are 12 elective courses which you have to select to complete all the credits. Okay, so these are the structure that are the structure of this program. Now we talk about the fee structure. Okay, so in each time you will only paying for the courses you register for. Like if you if you register for the courses, like you register for 2 courses, then you will only pay for the 2 courses, not more than this. Okay, so in foundation there are in foundational courses there are 4,000 rupees per course, and in the diploma course it is 5,000 rupees per course, and at degree level it would be 10,000 rupees per course. Okay, so there will be fee waiver also. So now we talk about the eligibility of fee waiver. Who will get the fee waiver? Yeah. So for the general category, if their family income is less than greater than 5 lakh per annum, so you have to pay the full fees. You will not get any fee waiver. If your family income lies between 1 lakh per annum and 5 lakh per annum, then you will get 50% fee waiver, and you have to provide some document, like you have to provide EWS plus family income certificate, and that is for OBC also. And if your family income is less than 1 lakh per annum, so you will get 75% fee waiver, and you have to show same documents while you are registering for the fee waiver. Okay, for SC/ST, you you will get this statement on the official website of the IIT Madras. I will take the screenshot and paste it here. You will get all this information at the official website. So don't worry about that. Okay. So now we talk about the scholarship, internship, placement as well. So when you open the official website of the IIT Madras, there is a pop-up message showing that there is a up to 100% scholarship for female student, but there is a scholarship for male student also. I will get my scholarship in last two terms. So don't worry about that. So what is the eligibility for a scholarship? You have to maintain 6.5 CGPA. It for this eligible for the scholarship, and the scholarship are provided by the many companies like L&T, Verizon India, and R&T, BCI, etc. So the eligibility set up by the team, so you don't worry about it. So how to get it? If you are eligible for the scholarship, you do not have to fill any form, or you do not go get into any application process. If you are eligible, then you will receive a mail like you are getting a scholarship by the IIT team. Okay, so don't worry about the scholarship, but you have to maintain 6.5 CGPA, and your family income should be less than 5 lakh per annum to be eligible for the scholarship. Yeah. Okay, so now we talk about the internship and placement. So there is no sorry. So there is no announcement for the placement. They are going to open the placement cell as soon as possible. But for the internship, there is an announcement like if any learner can clear any diploma, like I have mentioned about that there are two diplomas, diploma in data science and diploma in programming. So if a learner cleared any diploma, like any of the diploma, like diploma in data science or diploma in programming, then there is the internship opportunity for that learner. Okay, now now we talk about the student life in this degree. So there are 12 houses in this uh, degree of which all the students are classified Vandipur, Corbett, Gir, Kana, Kaziranga, Nallamala, Namdapa, Nilgiri, Pichapuram, Saranda, Sundarбас, and Vayananda. I am in the Namdapa house, which is mentioned on seventh number. Okay, so your house is where you seek share support and study together and do what you love. So at the in the houses where you can support the teams and working with the teams, like on any projects you're working in clubs, you're working in societies. There are many activities. Once when you uh, enter into this world, you will get to know a lot about this. Okay, so I am just sharing just a part of it. Once when you enter, you will get to know more about it. Okay, so now my presentation over. All that I have, I will share with you. Okay, so thank you for. Um, if you have any question, and asking, yeah,
Yeah. Thanks, Aman. This is a like more detailed presentation. Like yeah, you
yeah,
covered
okay.
about scholarships, course overview, and individual courses. Yeah, I think it is very clear.
So,
But
yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah, carry on, please.
yeah. Like if you found any, like, I have missed any part of which you found, so you can ask me. And
Yeah, sure. Actually, I will just go through the some of the questions I received offline. Yeah, just it will just take like not more than 5 minutes. I'll just go through it one by one. Just like a
sorry,
brief.
sorry, apology. Hello, hello. Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Wait a minute. Yeah, your voice is zaring. I am not hearing you properly.
Okay.
Let
Can
me
you hear
check
me
my.
now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yes. No, 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 no.
Okay. Is it fine now? Hi, I think Aman is back.
Hi, hi,
Hi,
hi, hi.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
I was just saying, I received a couple of questions offline uh, on LinkedIn and other social
yeah, yeah.
media.
Okay.
So I just go through it. Just
Yeah,
yeah, I just
yeah. Okay, okay.
yeah, okay. Yeah, I received a question how will the classes be conducted? Uh, is the classes will be taught live? There will be an interaction.
Yeah, okay. So the classes will be shared with us on the dashboard that is created by the IITM team. So it's not going live. It's a recorded. So if, let me show you some extent of it. Uh,
Okay, sure. I will just yeah.
yeah, okay.
Please
Yeah,
share
yeah.
this.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, okay. So let me show you. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Wait a minute. Here it is.
Okay, that's the dashboard. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a dashboard created by the IIT Madras team, and you have provided with the email.
Okay.
Yeah. So here it's a dashboard. Yeah. So there, there is big wise content here. Here you can see that at every Friday you will get the every next week content like week one, week two, week three, week four. As I have, we are in the end time. We are just approaching end time exam, so we have covered this term. So uh, there is a classes, recorded classes.
Okay.
Here you can see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So it's a recorded classes on the
Okay.
dashboard. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
that's good. Yeah.
yeah.
Another question I received is do we receive the benefits that a campus student receive GitHub student developer
Uh,
pack and many more things.
uh,
My guess is I think they are eligible, but yeah, I would like to hear from you.
Yeah, okay. So you have got an email from the IITM. So you can get the student benefits from that, like GitHub and many more.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thanks for answering that question. So,
yeah,
another question I got often is can I take a break in between foundation after foundation level, so that I take a break
yeah.
maybe 1 or 2 years, and then I continue my diploma, and then yeah, then proceed for degree.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So, yeah, there is a criteria for taking gap between any term. Like you can take a gap between any term, like not any foundational or diploma, but for 1 to 2 years, not be allowed. For maximum up to two courses or a 6 months gap will be allowed, and you have to pay the uh, RKA fees, that is registration kept alive fees. That is for I do not guessing the fees, but you will get up to maximum of 6 months, not more than this.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you talked about the campus life, right? So I received a question how often we are allowed to visit campus? Is there any restriction on that? Like how how
yeah.
free are
Okay,
we?
so
Yeah.
there are no restriction on visiting campus. You may go at any time. You can show you are provided with the ID card by the IITM. You will show their IITM ID card. Then you will enter into the IIT Madras campus. Many students went there and visit the campus. Now IIT Madras officially welcomes the students to visit the campus. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, one question I received often is is there any In most colleges, there will be 75% attendance rate. Is there like any attendance criteria with this program?
So there are no attendance criteria in this program, but there are many criteria to eligible for the exams. Like you have to minimum score in the assignments, which you will getting at the end of every week. As I mentioned, you have to minimum score in every week. So there is no attendance criteria, but there are many other criteria which will be different from regular college.
Okay, okay, uh, okay. I'm just checking the questions. Just give me a
Okay,
moment.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh,
Just go through it.
yeah, like one question I got, like this is like taking a exam in like a protected campus, right? Like just like taking an
Yes.
any exam, let's say I am taking my quiz or assignment or exam. I have to take it in like in a protracted environment within a campus, right? So let's say I am living in Chennai, but next month I am moving to Hyderabad.
Sorry,
Like,
sorry, Balaji.
okay, I've just
Please repeat the question.
yeah, okay. This
Yeah,
is like
I think net. Yeah,
okay.
okay.
I am just rephrasing again. Let's just say
I
I
I
am
think
in
there
this.
is some network issue.
Oh, okay, okay.
I I think
Now
there
are
is some
you able
network
to?
issue again.
Okay, now are you able to hear me?
Mind, no, no, not properly.
Okay, can I put it in chat then? Hello. Hello. Aman, can you hear me?
Uh, Not properly, but catching some voice.
Okay. Now is it fine? Like.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay. So let's say I am in Chennai. I'm
Yeah,
just applying for the program and I am studying the program. I am just writing the
yeah.
exams
Okay.
in some Chennai based college. So now if I move to Hyderabad or Bangalore, like where I will take my exam? Do I have to come back to Chennai, or like how it will be?
No, no, no. You do not have to travel to Chennai for your exam. You just have to change the city for your next upcoming exam, so that you can where you are in, and like you are in Hyderabad or you are in Bangalore, you may take their exam nearby center. Like you do not have
Okay.
to travel to your last exam city. Yeah, you can change it at any time.
Okay, yeah, that's been very helpful for
Yeah,
like
yeah,
I
yeah.
received this a lot. Okay, I think that's all I have. Thanks, Aman, for doing this
Oh,
again. I hope
yeah,
it
yeah.
will
Thank you.
answer many more queries we had with the presentation and the questions. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Please contact Aman if you have any more queries via LinkedIn. So he will be able to help you to answer your queries and redirect you on the right path. Once again, thanks Aman for joining. Yeah,
Thank you.
let's
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much for hosting this wonderful session. I think many more queries will be resolved here, and it's a very much appreciating. Thank you very
yeah,
much.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay.